This is the sheet of English. Okay, what we have to do in this, fill in the correct articles. We have to fill the correct articles in this. Okay, we have read about this previously. Okay, so what are articles? A and the. Okay, there are three articles, a and the. Articles has two types, definite article and indefinite article. Okay, definite article means the. Okay, definite article means the, and indefinite article means a and an. Okay, definite article carries the and indefinite article carries a and an. Okay, articles थ्री होते हैं, देयर आर थ्री आर्टिकल्स ए एंड द. और आर्टिकल्स के टू टाइप्स होते हैं, डेफिनेट एंड इनडेफिनेट. डेफिनेट आर्टिकल में आता है द, इनडेफिनेट आर्टिकल में आता है ए और एन. ओके, सो व्हाट वी हैव टू डू इन द फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन, फिल इन द करेक्ट आर्टिकल्स. ओके, करेक्ट आर्टिकल्स फिल करने हैं हमें. टुडे आई वेंट टू अ मॉल. अ मॉल. Today I went to mall. To a mall. A. We will fill A. I went there with my sister. We did shopping first and after that we went to eat something. I bought a red dress. A means A. We pronunciate A as A. Okay, A को हम लोग A पढ़ते हैं. A. I bought a red dress and my sister bought an orange top. An orange top. After shopping, we went to the food court. We went to the food court. Over there, we ordered a burger, a pizza, and an ice cream. Over there, we ordered a burger, a pizza, and an iced tea. Okay? It was really a fun day. It was really a fun day. I enjoyed a lot. I enjoyed a lot. I wish to go to the I wish to go to mall again. I wish to go the mall again. We will fill the. I wish to go the mall again. Okay? Today I went to a mall. I went there with my sister. We did shopping first and after that we went to eat something. I bought a red dress and my sister bought an orange top. After shopping, we went to the food court. Over there, we ordered a burger, a pizza, and an iced tea. It was really a fun day. I enjoyed a lot. I wish to go to the mall again. Okay, now what we have to do in the second question? Underline the correct article. Okay, there are several sentences given here. Okay, यहाँ पे कुछ sentences given है, and what we have to do, we have to find the correct article for it. Okay, सभी sentences में एक article लगेगा, but there are two. There is an option of two. वहाँ पे दो articles का option है. We have to choose the correct article and underline that. Okay, we have to underline the correct article. Rohan wants to read a book. A book. A हम क्यों लगाते हैं? Because the first letter is consonant. Okay, and that is noun. Rohan wants to read a book. We are going to a zoo. We are going to a zoo. Vidhi studies in an university. Vidhi studies in an university. Why we have used an? Because university starts with U and U is a vowel letter. Okay, we use an before a vowel letter or any vowel pronunciation. Okay, vowel letter या फिर vowel pronunciation के पहले हम an का use करते हैं. Can you lend me the umbrella? Can you lend me the umbrella? I think he is an honest man. I think he is an honest man. Why I have used an here? Because honest. Honest is the pronunciation. Pronunciation start from O. Okay, it is O. So that's why we will underline an. I think he is an honest man. I quickly ate the cookies. I quickly ate the cookies. Why we have used the and why not a? See, we can use a. हम a use कर सकते थे when the cookie was a single. जब अगर सिर्फ एक cookie होता, then we can use a. But in the sentence, it is written cookies. Cookies means plural. It is in plural. It means more than one. Na? That's why we have used the. I quickly ate the cookies. See, this is the second sheet, which is of EVS. Okay, and what we have to do is that we have to first of all read and learn. There are two kinds of houses given in this: igloo and castle. What is igloo? An igloo house is also known as snow house. Igloos are made up of ice. Igloo house, snow house भी कहते हैं igloo house को. Why? Because they are found in snowy areas. Snowy areas means जहाँ पे बर्फ पड़ती है. And igloos are made up of ice. Igloos ice के बने होते हैं. And the second one is castle. What is castle? Castle means mahal. Castle is a set of buildings where royal or a large and impressive house. Okay, महल क्या होता है? महल बहुत सारे बिल्डिंग्स का सेट होता है. Means long, short, okay, stable, that kind of बहुत सारे बिल्डिंग्स का एक सेट होता है जहाँ पे राजसी लोग रहते हैं. रॉयल्टी मीन्स राजसी, मीन्स जो राज परिवार के होते हैं, जो राजा रानी लोग के परिवार के लोग होते हैं, वो वहां रहते हैं. ओके, और कासल को हम क्या कह सकते हैं? दैट इज अ लार्ज एंड इम्प्रेसिव हाउस, जो कि बहुत सुंदर भी होता है, बहुत इम्प्रेसिव होता है, बहुत बड़ा होता है. ओके, या सो these were the two houses which we have read in this sheet. Match the things related to house to its purposes. Okay, what we have to do in this, we have to match the things to the related to the house. Okay, there are several things given which are related to the house, like windows, doors, bricks, and their purpose. Unke purpose diye hain, that why they are used in a house. So we have to match them correctly with their purposes. Window. Why do we use window? It lets in fresh air, because it lets in fresh air. Okay, through windows we can get fresh air inside our house. Windows के through हम fresh air ले सकते हैं. कहाँ? अपने घर के अंदर. Doors. Okay, what is the purpose of a door? Why do we have? It is used to enter the house. Okay, doors are used to enter in the house. Doors इसलिए यूज करते हैं for entering the house. House में enter करने के लिए, घर में आने, अंदर आने के लिए we use doors. Bricks. Okay, what is bricks? Bricks are the covering on the top of the house. Okay, Bricks are the covering on the top of the, no, it will be roof. Roof is a covering on the top of the house. छत हमारे घर को कवर क्या करता है, ऊपर छत कवर करता है ना. So roof is a covering on the top of the house. Okay. Walls. It separates one room from another. वॉल्स क्या करते हैं, दीवारें क्या करती हैं, एक दो रूम के बीच में अगर हम एक दीवार खड़ी कर देते हैं तो दैट विल क्रिएट अनदर रूम, दैट विल क्रिएट टू रूम्स ना. सो इट हेल्प्स टू सेपरेट, सारे रूम्स को सेपरेट करने के लिए वॉल्स होते हैं. ओके, व्हाट इज ब्रिक्स? सी, द आउटर वॉल्स ऑफ द हाउस. ब्रिक्स आर द आउटर वॉल्स मीन्स वॉल्स के बाहर का पार्ट होता है, वॉल्स के बाहर का. द आउटर वॉल्स ऑफ द हाउस दैट आर कॉल्ड ब्रिक्स. बंगलो इज अ पक्का हाउस. That is made up of bricks, cement, steel. Okay, bungalow is a pakka house. Understood? Okay, let's have a look at do you know. What is given in this? There are 4 points. Kacha house is made up of bamboo. Kacha house किससे बने होते हैं? It is made up of bamboo. Bamboo means बांस. Okay. Pakka is made up of metal. Pakka house किससे बना होता है? It is made up of metal, iron rods, steel. That why we say that it is made up of metal. Apartment made up of bricks or clay. Apartment किससे बने होते हैं? Apartments are made up of bricks and clay or clay. Okay. Lighthouse is made up of masonry and bricks. Okay. Lighthouse बने होते हैं masonries and bricks से. Okay. Let's have a look at the second question. Write the names of the types of the houses. See, here there are different kinds of houses given and we have to name them. The first one is tiled roof houses. Second one is hut. H-U-T, hut. Third one is caravan. C-A-R-A-V-A-N, caravan. Fourth is bungalow. B-U-N-G-A-L-O-W-S. Bungalow. Okay. The third question is true or false. Okay. We have to mark true or false. A house protects us from heat and cold. हमें घर ठंडी और गर्मी से बचाता है. Yes, it means it is true. True means सही. False means गलत. True. कच्चा हाउस इज वेरी सेफ. कच्चा हाउस बहुत सेफ होता है. नो, फॉल्स. इट विल बी फॉल्स. अ हाउस इन विच वी लिव विद आवर फैमिली इज कॉल्ड शेल्टर. एक ऐसा हाउस जिसमें हम अपने फैमिली के साथ रहते हैं उसको क्या कहते हैं? शेल्टर. यस, ट्रू. वी शुड कीप आवर हाउस नीट एंड क्लीन. हमें अपना घर साफ सुथरा रखना चाहिए. यस, ट्रू. पक्का हाउस आर मेड ऑफ वुड. पक्का हाउस वुड के बने होते हैं? नो, दे आर मेड अप ऑफ ब्रिक्स, सीमेंट, स्टील्स, आयरन रॉड्स. ओके. ड्रॉ अ पिक्चर ऑफ अपार्टमेंट. ओके, व्हाट वी हैव टू डू? वी हैव टू ड्रॉ अ पिक्चर ऑफ अपार्टमेंट. अपार्टमेंट की पिक्चर ड्रॉ करनी है. ओके. ओके. Now, this is our third sheet, which is based on maths revision. Write multiples of the following. One is done for you. Okay, one is done for you means it's one example is given here. 5 multiples of 2. 2 के 5 multiples write करना है. It means 2 से लेके 2 1 से लेके 2 5 तक के सारे आंसर्स हमें इसमें राइट करने हैं. जैसे 2 1 2, 2 2 4, 2 3 6, 2 4 8, 2 5 10. As you all can see, the same answer is given here. Okay, 4 multiples of 4. 4 के 4 multiples write करने. It means 4 ones are से 4 fours are. 4 ones are 4, 4 twos are 8, 4 threes are 12, and 4 fours are 16. 3 multiples of 3. 3 के 3 multiples write करने हैं. 3 ones are 3, 3 twos are 6, and 3 threes are 9. This much only. 7 multiples of 5. 5 के 7 multiples. 5 की table के 7 multiples. 5 ones are 5, 5 twos are 10, 5 threes are 15, 5 fours are 20, 5 fives are 25, 5 six are 30, 5 sevens are 35. Okay, like this. 9 multiples of 10. 10 के 9 multiples write करने हैं. Okay, जैसे हमने पहले की 4 questions किए, like this we have to do the 5th question also. Use multiplication to get the number in the circle. Okay, what we have to do, we have to use the multiplication, okay, so that we can get the same answer. 1 is done for you. 10 ones are 10, 5 twos are 10, 1 tens are 10, 2 fives are 10. Okay, means हमें ऐसा multiplication find करना है जिसे हम चारों तरफ से multiply करें और हमारा जो आंसर है वो सेम ही हो, 18 आए. Okay, 3 6 are 18, 2 9s are 18, 6 3s are 18, 9 2s are 18, 10 5s are 50, 5 10s are 50, 25 2s are 50, 2 into 25, 50. Okay? Tick 27 rounds 2. 27 का round off क्या होगा? What will be the 27 round off? 30. Round off of 27 will be 30. 39 rounds to 40. 8 rounds to